So got something pretty exciting for the Cummins today. It's in the bed right now. Went and picked them up last night. So went on a bit of a marketplace run last night in the ice. But picked up these 24 by 14s and 33s. And I got some 2-inch spacers also. Not sure how 33s are gonna look on here because right now I got 37s, but we're gonna go and find somewhere to put these on because nothing but ice here. So yeah, I will catch up with y'all when I get there. Cold start. Gonna let her warm up for a few minutes. Last one. All right, last one. So, made it home with the truck. Did pretty good. Didn't do all that great in the ice, honestly, but yeah, here it is. 24 by 14s. Don't know if I'm gonna take the lift off the truck or put bigger tires on because 33s definitely way too small. So this video started off me just putting these 24s on my truck. Now putting my 22s back on. Still got to do the back. Got to move the truck up a little bit because the jack's in nothing but ice back there. But yeah, we're supposed to get a lot more snow. It's supposed to snow all day. It's been snowing all night and pretty deep. They was only calling for like 4 inches, but I think we already have that. Got quite a bit. But yeah, I'm just swapping these back out because I drove on these earlier. I have no traction whatsoever. I tried to stop in front of my house and literally slid like 20 feet. So very, very not ideal place or time to swap wheels, but I don't have a shop. And yeah, I'm wanting to go have fun in this stuff. So just gonna swap them out right here. And then we're gonna go hit the road. Probably go ride the brute force a little bit. Get some videos of that. But yeah, snowstorm. Gotta love it. So now I just need to move the truck up a little bit because where the jack is sitting, it's kind of on like an ice incline. So I'm gonna pull up a little bit. Hope I got that on video. That hurt. Y'all literally have no clue. I just spent like an hour looking for this because I dropped it in the snow and couldn't find it because I didn't remember where I dropped it. Somehow ended up under the truck, and I was moving this shovel right here and ended up just tapping it and heard the ting. Okay, this is a little sketchy, but I'm gonna try and get it done real quick. They're getting frozen inside the socket. right, I'll catch up with y'all when I get the other wheels on. All right, and so just like that, we're done. Now it's time to go have some fun. I literally have ice in my beard, so while the Cummin warms up, I'm gonna go warm up. And so it begins. Gonna put y'all on the GoPro, catch up with you when we get there. Got a few side-by-sides out and about. Perfect time for it. And I'm on the brakes. Nice. Into the city. As you can see, roads aren't much better here, or actually probably worse, but it's all good. Somebody else over here doing some donuts. Trucks out right now, turning this into nothing but ice, but hey, whatever, makes it a little easier to drive on. Still spinning a little bit, but not as bad as I was a few minutes ago. Sitting here going 30, just paddling the boat. Oh shit, it's a big bank to fall off of. So surprisingly, O'Reilly's was open. Got some new windshield wipers. Now maybe I'll be able to see. All right, so made it here. About to hop on the four-wheeler. Catch up with y'all when I get there. Two-wheel drive brute. Snow out here is pretty deep. It's like 18 degrees out here. So I'm taking a little break right now, let my face warm up because currently can't feel it. Yeah, about to put the GoPro on top of my head and look like a goof nut. So, nice, now I'm just sitting in snow. Gotta love it. Clear, but I'm still gonna drive on it. Wheelie cam. And now they decide to come with the plows. All right, got the brute back in the shop. I think that we're gonna call it a day on riding because I'm freezing. Forgot to bring my toboggan, so I'm just wearing a hat and the shiesty. So, yeah, we're gonna call it a day on riding. I think I'll probably catch back up with y'all when I get to the house. And we're gonna call that a successful day. So, when it snows in North Carolina, everybody forgets how to live. Walmart's fucking closed. Why is Walmart closed? This is literally the highway. Completely sideways on the highway. This is literally the highway right now. This is literally the highway. Thinks he's slick. Still gonna drift. Sounds so good. It's in the middle of the city right now. They've already been plowing. It's just not really doing any good at this point. So I think this is the only place open in like all of the county that I live in. But we're at Sheets. This is the only place that's open. They're open 24/7 no matter what. So guess we're paying $40 for some chicken tenders. I don't know what happened because it quit snowing and it's not supposed to snow anymore. But it looks like we are getting a whole storm right now. So yeah, that's great. So right now, next day, and I'm gonna try and tackle an issue I kept on having repeatedly yesterday. All right, so when I try and put it in drive, this is shifter all the way down. Like I have to slam it and then eventually it'll go in. But it's because this cable right here, I had to zip tie it because it kept popping out over and over. But I guess I didn't adjust it right, so I'm gonna try and adjust that. Don't know if I'll be able to get it right, but that's a brand new shift cable, and I replaced it because I was having this issue. So I kept having issues with this piece sliding out, and I know it's got a little broken tab, but I had another one and it was doing the exact same thing. So I'm gonna try and readjust this. I don't know, it's getting pretty old. It's like one problem I've had with this truck ever since I've had it is getting it into gear. All right, yeah, I've sat here messing around with it for 20-30 minutes at this point. Just gonna order another new shift cable because it's like the little gear in there is just stripped out. So that's pretty annoying considering it's brand new, but what are you gonna do? Guess I'll just order another one. A couple days later and our new shift cable has came in, so gonna get this thrown in and hope that this solves our issue. Haven't driven the truck since the last video. That was about a week ago at this point. That has been the holdup. So yeah, we're gonna get that thrown in now. Okay, so a couple hours later, and now we have gearage, finally. That has been an issue since I got this truck, so finally sorted that out. About to go give it a test drive now. I'm not even on the gas. Gotta love it. So taking the truck on a little test drive, and so far so good. I think that fixed my issue finally. This lady's spreading salt in her driveway. Nice. But yeah, I think this fixed our issue, so I guess I'm gonna end this video off here. Got a couple other videos planned already. Already got the parts for the Cummins, so y'all stay tuned. But yeah, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what I can do better in my videos. Still trying to work out all the kinks. Tried to do a little better commentary on this video than I did last video because I didn't really talk much in the last video. So yeah, hopefully y'all like this video and let me know what I can improve on.